The Key.
Good day to you all. Welcome to The Key. Today we are going to talk about classes in C++. The first thing that you need to know in classes is what is a class. If you know the answer, write in the comment section. Well, a class is a user-defined data type or a data structure declared with the keywords class. A class consists of data members and variables. These classes consist of access modifiers. When we're talking about access modifiers, we have three different types of access modifiers. We have private, public, and protected. We will talk about it more as we go. Let's start. Please pay attention. C++ is case sensitive. In terms of, I've put in a capital letter, then you put a small letter. Simply means our code becomes different. It becomes different. That is when you see some errors and you start to wonder where they are coming from. Class. Let's give the class name. Let's say YouTube. Don't worry about that spelling. I prefer a YouTube without an O. An O on YouTube. YouTube just irritates me. We are going to write a class about YouTube. So this class consists of different variables. Like they consist of the name of the channel. They consist of views. They consist of subscribers. They consist of a list of videos, playlists, and stuff. But we're not going to write all those things. We're going to write a few things that will make you understand what is all about classes. As we have mentioned, different playlists in YouTube and different types of videos that are uploaded in YouTube simply means that our program should have a list of published videos. Since we have mentioned the word list in C++, this simply means that we need to add another code. So if you write a list without putting this short block of code, this simply means your list cannot be recognized as a list. It should be just a string. So you need to write this code so that your list should be recognized by the compiler. YouTube. Now we are creating an object. An object is just an instance of a class. Now we are trying to say an object is like a blueprint of the class. So we are going to write the name of our object as YT. So whenever we want to call a function, a constructor, or everything, we are not going to write YouTube.something. We're going to write the name of the object. Like we're going to write YT dot, then the function that we need to call. So here we're going to write YT dot. Now, if you have seen, I've written YT dot. That dot means I'm calling a variable or a function. But in this case, we didn't have seen any variable or any function that is being called by the dot. What is the problem in this case? If you know the answer, you know what to do. This means our functions, our variables, our list, they are not in the public accessing scope. Why? Because a class is private by default. As compared to a structure is public by default. So here I'm going to put all my variables under public access modifier. So you can see now YT dot now, boom, As you can see, we have the list of different variables that we have declared on top. So this means that now they are under public. They can be accessed by the object of our class. So we are going to start with name. Then our name should be a string, it dot channel name. Obviously you know the name of the channel. It's the key. Then YT dot published videos. Then the other thing you should also keep in mind that published videos, it's not just a string, it's a list. So OOP, we're going to write the list of the videos that we've uploaded so far. OOP using C++. How to write C++ program, simple application using Python. YT dot views count. Now you need to know viewers count is a type of an integer, it's not a string. Why? This is because viewers cannot be counted by using strings, but we can count them using numbers. So numbers are integers. Then see out name, let's say category, and name YT dot. Now we are calling a variable that consists of the category name of our YouTube channel. So we're going to call then let me copy and paste this then channel channel name, then see out viewers. YT dot channel name YT dot viewers count. Now we are talking about a list, the published videos list. How are we going to write it? How are we going to make it recognize that it's a string? It's a list, as we have said before. So we're going to write cout videos list for string videos. Now we have initialized and declared the string videos. This is because we didn't have any variable that goes by the name of videos. So now we've declared the name of videos and initialized it, and now we've given it the value of the published videos, which is now the same as the string videos. So we've just said videos is the same as now published videos. This bracket. Don't forget to write return 0. Now let's execute. Go to compile and run. As you can see, let me put it on this side. As you can see, we have the category name, educational, the channel name, the key viewers, the list, our video list. Then our video list now, as you can see, it consists of strings and integers. This is because a list consists of different data types. So you can write a list with strings like different types of food. Then with the doubles, which are different prices of those food on the same list. That's why it is called a list. Now let's add the different style in our program so that it can be presented in a nice way or a better way. If you know a different code with a different style, please write and paste it in the comment section so that others can learn from it. Now you can write string line 56, then character. Let's choose a character of our choice. Let's choose this. Let's write it here. Let's also write it here. Go to execute, compile and run. As you can see, it's not much, but now it is presented in a better way than the initial way. Thank you for watching.